Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer State. This is Coloring Bliss and I have the perfect portable color pencil storage solution for you. Now recently I purchased the 2-box set of the Brute Funner, so I have 520 pencils that need storage, and I came up with the perfect solution. You're going to love it. All you need to begin is 6 pencil rolls. Now mine will hold over 100 in each pencil roll, so we're off to a good start. Next thing you need are some snaps. We've got to put these together, so here you can see me putting the snaps on all 4 corners of each of the pencil rolls. This process is so easy. You just need the right tools, all the snap things, an anvil, maybe 3 extra men, that might help you too. But once you've got it all snapped, you can start putting all 6 rolls together in one glorious chain. So now the fun begins. We get to load all 520 Brute Funner pencils into our pencil roll, and look at all those beautiful colors. This process of loading pencils is so quick and easy. You might want an assistant to help pull the pencils out of the trays, but boy, did this go quick. Okay, let's roll up our new pencil roll and see how it looks. Make sure you do it tidy so none of the pencils will slip out. Look how compact and organized and beautiful these pencils look in this roll. It's only 1 foot in diameter. It can fit into any art bag or small purse and clutch. Well, we won't know if this is the perfect color pencil storage solution until I take it out for a test. It's a beautiful day outside, so I'm going to take little Rose out and we'll do some coloring outside. Look how effortlessly I can carry all 520 pencils, and it looks so stylish in my hands. Rose and I found a perfect and comfortable spot to sit on the grass, but now it's time to unroll my pencils and start coloring. At only 17 feet long, I have all 520 pencils right within reach. It's time to pack up and head back inside, and look how easily I can roll these pencils up, all organized and safe within their pencil roll. At only 10 pounds, I can lift it as if it weighed no more than a dried leaf. So get yourself your supplies, make yourself this pencil roll, and you too can enjoy the perfect portable color pencil storage. I hope you have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. Bye-bye, everyone.